Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. If you love chocolate, you are going to love what's inside this box. I just received these yesterday. These are a whole bunch of handcrafted chocolates by master chocolatier Brandon Olsen, who is working out of Toronto, Canada. I'll just get all of these out here. A lot of these have a festive theme, winter theme. Really amazing chocolates, all completely handcrafted, and even the boxes are all hand painted by him as well. So you've got a really nice assortment of chocolates there. I just want to give you a little showing here. So look at this. I'm going to open these up. Let's zoom in. We need to zoom in for this. There are so many nice chocolates. So look at this. Is that magical or what? Wow. So in this box we have strawberry Earl Grey tea, spruce mint, which is the blue one right here, and then we have cranberry ginger, also butterscotch, one of these, peppermint cheesecake, which is the one in the middle, rosemary orange, this one here, sugar plum jelly, this one here, cherry marzipan, this one here, and coffee cinnamon, this one here. Let's get a little bit closer. I really want you to see how nice these chocolates are. Each one of these is hand painted. I do have an unboxing of some chocolates that I received from CXBO Chocolates last year. That's the name of the company right here. And I do have that on my YouTube channel as well. And what I'll do is I'll put a link to the other chocolates that I received from them down in the description box below this video. So that is just one box. So we'll close that up. Oh, it's like Christmas Day. Look at that nice box. Isn't that nice? Okay. Let's get into the next small one here. Let's open this up. That one there. Nope, I had opened this one already. Whoa. Let's see. We got our little card. So here we go again. So let's get that on camera right there. And we'll start off with cherry almond. And then we have a passion fruit lemongrass caramel. Then we have a strawberry bergamot, and then here we have dark chocolate mint, black currant violet, ginger maple cayenne. These are all amazing flavors that I never would think that would work in chocolates, and they just work so well. And then we have right here orange bay leaf olive oil. Oh, that sounds good. And then here in the middle we have cinnamon rose chili. And on the end here, the baby blue, coconut salted caramel. Oh, that sounds so good. So there we go. That's a nice little package right there. And then we're going to get into some really amazing designs. Now, which one is which? We're going to get this open here. And we'll just open this up. Are you ready? Let's get on camera and let's see. Look at that. Wow. Now doesn't that look spectacular? So again, all of these chocolates are handcrafted by Brandon Olsen himself. So here in the baby blue, we have the peppermint crème fraîche. And then this one right here is an eggnog nutmeg. I love eggnog, so that sounds really good. In the dark navy blue here, we have a cinnamon bun coffee. Oh, that sounds good. And then this one, I guess it's this one right here, is the ginger caramel. Wow. Let me just lift one of these out. I mean, look at this. Oh, look at that. Is that amazing? Look at this. Love the little shapes, these little gemstones or whatever they are. Amazing. That is super, super nice. Wow. Super impressed. Thank you very much, CXBO Chocolates. I am really going to appreciate these. Right in there. And then we've got our last one here. So we'll open this up. Open this up. And let's see what we have here. We'll open this. Oh, look at that. Bring that right here. Bring that out of there. Get this straight. And I just got a really nice, strong scent of all of these chocolates. I can actually smell the insides. It smells amazing. All of that flavor and scent was just trying to get out of that box, and it just did. And by the way, this collection here is called the Fireside collection. So this is all a sample of Canadian whiskeys. So for our first one right here, we have Smoked Maple Walnut, Pike Creek. That's a Canadian whiskey. And then again, over here on this side, we have a Sweet Corn Caramel Gotterham and Worts. That is another Canadian whiskey. And then we have this one here, the gold one, and that is an apple cider maple J.P. Wiser's. It's a 18-year, that's 18-year age whiskey right there, Canadian whiskey. And then our last one right here is a sour cherry orange zest Lot 40, another Canadian whiskey. And this collection is a brand new collection called the Fireside collection. So that there, really, really nice. And there we go. All of the information is right there. So I'll close that up. So that there, we got that one. Let's back up a little bit. So just to sum up, we have here the Fireside collection, which I just showed you. And then we have the Iceberg collection. And then we have the Nutcracker collection. And then our last one here, which I forgot to mention, this is 100% vegan right here. And that is the Aura collection. Right there. So there we go. So there we have it. A really fun unboxing and little fast review of all of these amazing handcrafted chocolates made by CXBO. And that is Brandon Olsen. His chocolate shop is in Toronto, Canada. I'll put a link to his chocolate shop down underneath this video in the description box, and also links to his social media, Twitter and Instagram, and also his company website. So that's it for today's really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, please check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. And I'll just finish off saying that I am going to be taking a lot of product shots of these really nice handmade chocolates, and you can find those images in the next couple of weeks on my Instagram page, instagram.com/BakeLikeAPro, or just look for @BakeLikeAPro and you'll find them there. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.